Picture your stockroom. Dozens of items, half of them without a price tag, and no idea what's actually left on the shelf. Sound familiar? Vyroq's Products tab fixes that in minutes. Open Products and click New Product. Name it, add a description, and drop it into a category, or hit New Category to create one on the spot. Type a few tags, and it's instantly searchable. Now, the details that actually run your business. Set the SKU, scan or type the barcode, and choose physical or digital. For a physical item, set the price, a low stock threshold so you're never caught off guard, and even seed the initial stock, right there in the same form. Here's the payoff. Flip on Show in Public Storefront, and Vyroq generates a shareable product link instantly. No separate storefront setup, no waiting. Stock ever drift from reality? Hit Adjust Stock, choose Add, Remove, or Recount. Pick a reason like shrinkage or restock, and Vyroq logs it with a note. Every change tracked, and when stock runs low, banner reads Products low on stock. One click filters straight to them. That's a fully stocked, fully priced catalog, built without a single spreadsheet. Start yours free at vyroqi.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.